Hello everyone, I'm Daisy and glad to be here sharing my study with you, which mainly focuses on the neuromechanism underlying intergroup hostility. We begin with the herding, which is the bottom-up alignment of thoughts or behaviors of individuals in a group, offers considerable advantages. Herdings provide a level of safety that no individual can achieve alone, and enable group members to achieve goals that they cannot attain individually. However, at least in humans, herding also had a dark side. Early social scientists such as Levin typified social groups as a mating crowd. Indeed, when we consider the political protest and social hooligan, we could find the individualized phenomenon, which describe otherwise reasonable individuals immersed in group, take risks they normally avoid, and aggress outside rivals with anticipated hostility. Despite the early suspicion that a connectivity of individual minds and the transport of thoughts might underlie such herding behaviors, little is known about the neuromechanism of such intergroup hostility. Here we identify within-group neurosynchronization as a candidate. If it's true, it will be stronger in conditions known to strengthen group wheel-like behaviors. Previous study has shown that in group cooperation and outgroup aggression, especially under these below two conditions. One is within group bonding, where group members virtually bond and emphasize similarity among them. Another one is conditions when group force outside threat. Therefore, we hypothesize here neurosynchronization under these two conditions. We examined this hypothesis in 91 multi-round in-group contest. Each contest involved 2 3-person attack and defender groups. Individuals fought for their groups to spoil more welfare from others or defense to protect themselves. In almost half of the intergroup contest sessions, the 3 members of each group engaged in an in-group bonding exercise. That is, the 3 members of the same person groups respectively put the same colored black and white clothes. Take advantage of Fnar's hyperscaling, we simultaneously record brain activity within each group during intergroup conflict. Let's see the result. First for the behavioral performance. As expected, we found that after in-group bonding, individuals constantly contribute more to outcompete their rivals. We also found that in-group bonding increased intergroup discrimination. After bonding, individuals donate more to their in-group members and express likeness in-group members more than out-group ones. For the neural activity during intergroup conflict, we found in-group bonding decreased DLPLC activity, which reduced activation could predict more impulsive contribution to intergroup hostility. Besides, we found in-group bonding increased the functional connectivity between the DLPLC and the TPG, which facilitated group members' willingness to understand and integrate others' attentions into their own decisions. Furthermore, fitting early speculation by social scientists considered the individualized group minds and herd hostility, we found that, especially during out-group attack, in-group bonding influenced within-group neurosynchronization in both DLPLC and TPG, and that DLPLC synchronization positively correlated with a higher intergroup hostility. Based on this evidence, our study suggests that socially shared reduction in prefrontal activity lead to collective intergroup hostility. In addition to uncover the functionality of in-group bonding and behaviors during intergroup conflict, we have conducted another following up Fnar's hyperscaling studies. They will be shown as poster. If you are interested about this topic, we are coming for our poster and further discussion. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your attention. Bye.